Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Friends, due to any reason if you want to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account, then you simply need to press on your profile icon. Here you need to press on the three lines. Now press on settings. In settings, press on account. In account, press on sharing to other apps. Now here you can see my Facebook account is connected to my Instagram account. So you need to press on Facebook. Now here you need to press on this account center. Now press on accounts. Now here you will find your attached Facebook account. You simply need to press on remove to disconnect it from your Instagram account. So friends, like this you can very easily disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.